Hi, Tamir. Do you want to introduce yourself?
Hi everyone, shalom. My name is Tamir David. I'm 27 in less than a month. I'm originally from Nahariya, but currently living in Tel Aviv because I work there in the army. I'm a soldier. I'm dancing since I was very little until now, so many years. And this session is going to be a chain session. The meaning is that every dance is going to start with the last word of the previous dance, but we allow conjugation. For example, if we'll have kesem, then we can have later kismei. Okay, just another example.
What does kesem mean for the people who don't speak Hebrew? Kesem means?
Kesem means magic.
Right. So kismei is the magic of. So we're allowing for that. We're allowing for that. But all right. So
okay, so let's start. And we're going to start with a little balagan. The next dance is a line dance for me, but for you or for some of you, it's a circle dance. I know that usually you copy it from Chen, but this time it's going to be better because you're going to follow me. So let's start. Enjoy, everyone. It's only circles. The first one was tefillah. So now we go to tefillati.
תפילות עולות למעלה עם הרוח.
The next one, תפילת הדרך.
שתוליכנו לשלום ותצעידנו לשלום ותגיענו אל מחוז חפצנו בשלום.
Thank you, Melu. And this was the last one from the tefillah session. So this was תפילת הדרך. So now, דרך כל האבות. באהבה ובמילה טובה. טוב ללכת בדרכים. Now another two dances with דרך. The first one, דרכנו.
לא קלה היא לא קלה דרכנו, ועינייך לפעמים כה נוגעות.
דרך שיר. And guess which song is the next? So this was דרך שיר, and the next one will be שיר. And watch out, is the long intro.
שיר, השיר קולע.
And שיר הוא שיר השירים.
שיר השירים בשעשועים, שיר השירים בטררררי, שיר השירים בשעשועים, לילה לילה לילה.
Now, we have one more dance with Shir, and him and the next three are one of my favorite dances. The first one is a little bit slow, so enjoy. Shir Eretz.
ארצנו הקטנטונת, ארצנו היפה, מולדת בלי כותונת, מולדת יחפה.
ארץ, ארץ.
ארץ, 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 ארץ חולנה.
Wonderful. Okay, the next one is Eretz Esh ve'Eretz Yam.
ארץ אש וארץ ים, אולי קרוב קרוב תראי אותן. ים הרחמים,
And next one is Rachamim Lev Ha'olam.
רחמים לא נולדנו לתוך עולם מרחם, רק אהבה כי אנחנו באנו כדי לנחם.
Olam.
בוקר טוב עולם כזה שובב.
Now we are going to have two dances with Ahava. The first one is Olam Maleh Ahava, and the second one is Ve'ahavta.
העולם מלא אהבה, רק העיניים לא רואות. העולם מלא אהבה, ועיניים מחפשות. ואהבת לרעך כמוך, וידעת לכבד, ידעת לכבד, כולנו אחים.
Great. Now the next one is a little spoiler. I heard you had homework to do for this camp. So this is one of the homework. It's called Ahava Mimbat Rishon.
חיוכך שווה את לבבי, אהבתיך ממבט ראשון.
Tamir, I think you have time for, I'm going to call it one more dance. Do you have any thoughts on I know I'm
One
putting you
more
on the
dance?
spot a little here, but can we think of something good to end the chain with?
I think we need something crazy, something that is classic for Gvanim.
Yeah, but it has to tie to the chain. So how are you going to do that?
Yes. Well, we had Rishon. Rishon in Hebrew means the first one. Okay, so we don't have anything else, but maybe we have one more dance called Echad.
Let's do it.
אחד מי יודע, אחד אני יודע, אחד אלוהינו, 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 שבשמיים ובארץ.
Thank you so much, Tamir.